What's up, YouTube? How's it going? I'm back again for another random video. So I bought these skins for my Xbox S 2 TB hard drive, might I add. I bought these off Best Buy, their internet site, the other day. Can't return it. And I got a controller with it, like a controller skin. I thought that was stupid. I have two controllers. I'm not going to have one black, one white. So I'm just not going to do the controllers. That's kind of weird. And yeah, let's put this bad boy on. Let's see how good it's going to look. Hopefully. Oh, it's 3M. Fuck, man. I can already tell this has to be done a certain way. Holy, as soon as you lay it down, that's it, eh? Wow. Very thick. This is 35 bucks. I mean, I got lucky on that one. That was a good shot. So, what is this one for? I'm not quite getting this. Fuck, eh? It's like a one-time. I guess it would have made more sense just to peel off by the corner and line it up. But I got OCD, so. Let's see how good my OCD is. Whew. So quiet in here you can hear a pin drop. Wow. Pretty good material. It's like grip tape for a skateboard. That's what it feels like. Oh. Doesn't quite line up the hole. So I'm going to do it this way. Too high. It's becoming an eyesore looking at the Xbox when all my stuff is black. You gotta angle this thing just right. Ah! Whatever, I don't care. I'm supposed to peel these out? I think it's supposed to be like, oh, that's a CD drive, duh. You dumbass. Well, it looks a lot better than I thought it would. They punched out the holes because the hole's black. I'm just going to use the hole as a reference. Fold over the corners or whatever. I guess they want you to use the dot to reset. They're both the same size. No? That's a freaking eyesore. The dots don't stick. There. Okay. So what are the other two for? pretty much it. It's not completely blacked out. Thanks for sitting through that. So if you think that was worth $35, leave a comment. It's kind of on an angle a little bit. This one you won't tell too much. Wonder if it's easy to adjust. Yeah, you don't want to touch that. Alright, so if you ever buy these, even though this thing's been out for a while. What the hell is that? Piece of dirt? So sand gets on it. If you ever buy these, once they're on, they're on. And don't use the controller unless you only have one. But who puts the skin on their controller anyway? There you have it. Looks a lot better, but that looks kind of dumb since I'm seeing it from the top down. Not sure what these two are for. The side? Oh, the sides. Oh, it's for the side. Okay. For the side. Wouldn't that be blocking the fan? No. That can't be for the side. Or maybe it is. No, it's not, because the disc wouldn't go in. Whatever. Amateur hour with Matt. Can't block the fan vents anyway, so I guess a big circle would look dumb. There you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I think I just wasted my money for more random videos. And I'll talk to you real soon. Let me know if you can figure out what these are for before I chuck them. Bye for now.